Hi, this is Harry Donahue, and
I'm Matt Nawn, and we're here in Columbia, Pennsylvania to look at the latest progress on Public Service Car 26 being restored for the Baltimore Streetcar Museum.
Okay, we're looking at the completed front section of the car. The roof line literally looks factory new, and this was one of the worst spots of corrosion on the car. 2 coats of primer,
Right,
and
it's body filler,
and 3 coats of the all grip paint. This is front section is finished.
Section here, as Rob, our body man, had to work on it, there was a lot of deterioration, as Harry said. It had to be cut out, and then after it was cut out, essentially with the filler sculpted back to the original shape. One of the areas that deteriorates the worst on a PCC car is that body to roof seam you see here. In this case, around the perimeter of the car's roof, it was badly damaged. A tremendous amount of work went into getting that seam not just repaired, but correct the shape, watertight, and durable. Just to give you an idea, there was a dent in the rear roof section. There was 38 hours of body work to repair the dent in the rear roof.
Yeah, we'll walk back there in a minute and show you that. You can see no trace of that dent. One of the reasons the roof is taking so long, the roof was in a very deteriorated state from being stored outside up in New Jersey for almost 14 years. The car, in its last 2 years of operation, had a pantograph, which had
The
hydraulic fluid in it. Well, that hydraulic fluid, over the years of storage, leaked out and it permeated into the steel roof. When Rob started to apply the different primers, they wouldn't adhere. So it took many hours to clean up the residue of the hydraulic fluid.
It essentially had to be drawn out from between the individual sheets, steel roof sheets, drawn out, removed over, just methodically through handwork.
Right, as we walk along the side of the car, again, you'll see the roof seam looks factory new.
Right, you can see Rob still has some finish to do in here. While the end sections are done, there's still some sanding and finish painting to do here. He also has to blend in the seams that are at each end. The roof sections at the end are constructed slightly differently than the center sections. The end sections were actually built at St. Louis Car Company in a wooden jig. There's photos in the PCC book about it. Whereas the sides were curved metal sheets. Rob focused on the ends. He's now working on these side areas which have yet to receive the final finish paint. All right, so we're up here looking at the back roof section on car 26. This area alone took 38 hours of labor to get a large dent and other deterioration out of the roof. I can literally see myself in the paint finish. It's so well done. For example, the retriever will mount here. There's holes here. That's for the high mounted trolley catcher that mounts here to pull the pole down. These cars had a high mounted catcher. That was from new in Minneapolis. Newark actually had a wooden pole with a metal hook on the end to pull the trolley rope down. We're going to maintain that in Baltimore as original, but the amount of work that went into this section, it's been finished painted here. Rob, our painter, still is going to blend the seams in, which are further up on the roof, as he works down with the finished painting. But this is just one example of the extensive amount of work that's gone into this car.
So here we have the MG covers. You can see this is the back. Harry there has the front. You can see both sides have been done with the paint, and it looks really good, real nice and shiny. Then Harry over here has the grab rails for the roof. They're totally done, front and back. It's good we got the back done because then the underside won't rust. Then this has all gotten the back at least primed. They still, painted. The fronts still need painted, but you can see kind of what they'll look like when they're done.
Yeah, this is a trolley catcher.
Yep.
It gets mounted above the rear window in these cars.
Yeah.
So these are all done.
Yeah.